Hi there, Natalie with you today to show you what is coming in the November 2020 Life Crafted Kit. And this month's Life Crafted Kit is called Legendary. This is the introduction card and it reads, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Make it happen. So this month's kit is actually very versatile, very colorful, has a beautiful color palette, and the designs are amazing. So let's get started. I'm gonna actually start with the pattern papers. And remember, you get 12 pattern papers that are being exclusively designed for Citrus Twist kits. You're gonna get this colorful grid of numbers. You're also gonna get a floral in a coral shade. You're gonna get this is a plain wood grain paper. Then you have this navy and white, kind of a tile print. This is again another tile print. This is cream with a dark gray print on it. Then you have this mustardy yellow paper. It has kind of a floret design in the background, kind of tone on tone. Then you're gonna get a lemon print, very Citrus Twist kits. Then you're gonna have, this is a mint color paper, very light green, and it has, I don't know if you can see it, little leaves in the design. You're also gonna receive these, there's a grid. I'm gonna say it's like a kind of greenish and tealish in that kind of turquoisey, beautiful paper, by the way. This is probably one of my favorite papers in the design, and it's this cream with a kind of blush pink design on it. But if you see it, it has kind of an underprint, looks like gel press. There's some like a ledger, beautiful paper. And then you're gonna have a polka dot. This is a tone on tone, gray on gray. And then the last paper is this dark teal. I'm gonna say it kind of has a chevron design on the background. So these are the papers you're gonna receive 6x8 in your boxes. Now you're gonna see the cards for this month. You're gonna get, as always, our sheet of labels that coordinate with the colors of the collection. Then you have your 3x8 card, and this one says stories happen every day, and it has the number grid that we are loving. And the back side you have a piece of the wood grain paper. This is perfect for the Life Crafted album or to layer on your kit, on your projects. Now you're also gonna receive two 6x4 cards, and this one here has, I'm gonna say, kind of a two-part. And it has all these florals which repeat in the ephemera. And the B side says ordinary moments, unforgettable memories. The other one has all this beautiful color palette, gorgeous icons. And on the B side, it kind of has a grid for the weekend. You can add your picture, add your lines or journal, and you're ready to go. Now the selection of the 3x4 cards is a really fun one. This one here says ready for this and not ready for this. And then you have a yellow chevron on the back. This one says eyes up, hearts up, moods up, simple pleasures. You can add your picture, your journal, so they're ready to go. Just try to wondering and wondering in like this green tone on the background, and rise and shine and good night, sleep tight. So whichever way you want to use it. Let's put it this way. This one here says sweet disaster, and we all have those. And on the B side says home life. This is the good life. Again, perfect everyday cards. This one here says this world is full of beautiful things, and on the B side you have this like a bullet where you could choose what you want to document. Is enjoying this. This one here is probably one of my favorite cards, and it has like this frame. It's like a hexagon frame, and it has like warm tones. And on the B side, pretty much the same idea, but cooler tones. You're also gonna get again the same florals that you saw before, and this one's repeated the ephemera. And on the B side you have these bullet points, so you can add your journaling. Again, you go with the same idea of kind of a folder look. And then you have all the emojis, current mood, and on the B side the new normal. So again, and then the last one is lazy days, and the B side has this beautiful ombre effect of stripes, which I thought it was beautiful. Now, as always, you're gonna get a selection of embellishments. And this month, you're going to get the white foam alpha. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about this. You're also going to get 2 sheets of vellum phrases. Words like feeling all the feels, what if, treat yourself, good food, good friends. You're going to get 2 of them. All you have to do is peel and stick. You're also going to receive a package of puffy hearts, colors that complement the collection. The beautiful teal, green, there's some jean looking ones. So there's also going to come in your kit. You're also going to get a selection of enamel dots. And you can, if you love them, you can find more on the shop. We have 3 different colors. This is the one that coordinates with this kit. And also the stamp. And the stamp this month is legendary. Sentences like surprise ending, plot twist needed, story time, embrace the unknown, big, huge, best. So this is the stamp set for this month. And this month ephemera is gorgeous. So I'm just going to show you an overview of what it comes in it. You have words, you have tickets, you actually have little band-aids. There's always a bird, but I'm going to show you what it's so fun about it. First of all, let's start with this deer, which is probably a favorite. I'm going to put it here. Here are some of the words. There's noteworthy and legendary, so it's just a matter of just building them up. But this is probably my favorite, one of my favorite things. And these like the do not disturb signs that you see outside hotel room doors. You have a few of them, and there's actually keys that actually match them. So great for layering and adding to your projects. Again, these are the florals that you saw in the cards. You have tags. You're gonna find little icons. There's florals as always, and always you find a little bird, and so much more that you can do with this. So I'm gonna set this aside. This is what comes in the kit physically. If you are a subscriber, then you also have access to free bonus content. One of them is the 3x4 cards, and these are exclusive to subscribers only. You have 4 cards that match your kit and that complement the cards that that we have created this month. And these ones have kind of these ones you have like a beach feel, and these ones you have a fall. Regardless, these 4 coordinate nicely with the kit and can help you document any season or any location in the world. So this is one of the digitals that you get for free as a subscriber. The other digital that you get for free is our cut apart sheet. And this has beautiful tags, it has more labels, you have little icons, just little phrases that help you document and create clusters on your pages. These are for free for subscribers, but if you want to purchase them, you can go ahead and find them in the digital shop if you are not a subscriber. Now, you can also find, and this is all that is for the Life Crafted kit. As always, we have our 2 stamps that coordinate with the kit. This is a traveler's notebook stamp, and this is things like this moment, full of heart. The only thing that could make this day better is ice cream. So you can add it to your box. Remember, if you're a subscriber, you can have a bundle shipping selection and have everything added to your box. And this is Life Legends stamp set. As always, the B side or the back has an idea what you can do with the stamp. You can build phrases, you can build titles. There's these beautiful icons, which you're gonna see a lot in our design team has been using them for their projects. And then the last thing I want to show you and talk to you about is this foam alpha. And remember how this month you're gonna receive the white foam alpha. You're also gonna find in the shop different colors of the alpha. We've already you've already seen the pink and the teal in previous Life Crafted kits. You can also find them in navy, black, purple, yellow, green, and the white ones. These are all available at the shop, so make sure you you pick them up and add them to your box. They're the perfect size for the Life Crafted album. They're the perfect size to add titles in your Project Life projects or your layouts. Now, other things that you're gonna find at the shop right now is in the digital shop. We have our Documenter TN pages, and these are pages that fit the Life Crafted album that match our kit, and they're just ready for you to go. All you need to do is, they already come prepared, so you already have a piece of paper, some sort of space to add your title or extra journaling, and you're ready to go. And they actually match the kit nicely, so be sure to check them out. At the same time, you can also find the digital version of our pattern papers, and I've already printed them all because I love using this. I make them bigger, so I'm able to have extras for my pages. You're also going to find the same ephemera that you see here in digital format. I've already printed it because, again, something that gets used. So that means that I have endless amount of florals to print for my projects. So be sure to check them out. As always, you're going to find our Project Life cards. And this was actually really fun. You get the same ones that you get in the kit, but you're also going to get a smaller one. So you're going to get, they're only exclusive to the digital print. 2x2s, which fits one of our protectors, and a 2x4, which also fits one of the protectors. So be sure to check them out, especially if you enjoy printing on them before it goes on your projects. And then the last thing you're going to find on the digital shop are the digital tags. You get a series of tags. There's some labels, there's some tabs, tickets that you can help you document more in your stories regardless of the format. So this is all that is available right now at the shop. This is our Life Crafted Legendary Kit. I cannot wait to see what you create with this. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.